Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell how to find the height of the tree by using trigonometric ratios and the solution of second problem from exercise 9.1 from NCERT class 10. Let us take the height of the tree BH. So that is AB plus BC, and at this point B, the tree has broken. So it touches the ground at this point C. So here the height of the tree is AB plus BC, that is H is equal to AB plus BC, and foot of the tree to the broken part. So foot of the tree is at this point A, and at this point uh, foot of the tree to the broken part, that is AB, and length of the broken part, that is BC. So this is the length of the broken part, and distance between foot to the broken part touches the ground. So the distance between foot of the tree to the broken part that touches the ground at this point C. So that is AC, and we can find the height of the tree, that is H, by using trigonometric ratios. You can see these three cases. So if angle C, in the first case, if angle C and AC are given, so here angle C and AC are given, then tan C is equal to AB by AC. So opposite side by adjacent side. So by using this trigonometric ratio, we can find AB. Here C we know and AC also we know. So AB is equal to tan C into AC. So we can find AB by using this trigonometric ratio. Then once you find AB, then BC we can find by using cos C. Cos C is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So AC by BC. So BC is equal to AC by cos C. So once you find BC and AB, height of the tree is equal to AB plus BC. So add these two values, you will get height of the tree. In the second case, if angle C and BC are given, so angle C and BC are given, then sin C is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, so AB by BC. Then you can find AB is equal to BC into sin C. Therefore, height of the tree H is equal to AB plus BC. So here AB we know and BC also we know. So H is equal to AB plus BC, that is height of the tree. In the third case, if angle C and AB are given, then sin C is equal to AB by BC. Therefore, BC is equal to AB by sin C. Therefore, height of the tree is equal to AB plus BC. AB we know and BC, from this we can find BC. So, H is equal to AB plus BC. Now, I am going to tell how to find the solution of second problem from exercise 9.1 from NCERT. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degrees with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. Find the height of the tree. So here the tree is broken at this point at B, and the top of the tree touches the ground at this point C. So here BC is the broken part of the tree, and this is at the foot of the tree, that is A point, and AC is given. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. So here AC is given, that is 8 meters. And this angle is also given, that is inclined angle, that is 30 degrees. So here we have to find the height of the tree, that is AB plus BC, that is height of the tree. So angle is given, that is 30 degrees, and distance is also given, that is 8 meters. And height of the tree we have to find, that is AB plus BC. So this is a right triangle. Because this tree is a vertical tree, so this is right angle. In triangle ABC, tan C is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So AB by AC. So from this you can find AB is equal to AC into tan C. So apply the values here. C is 30 degrees. Angle C is 30 degrees. So tan 30 is equal to AB by 8. So AB is equal to 8 into tan 30. Tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3. So AB is equal to 8 by root 3 meters. So AB is equal to 8 by root 3 meters. And cos C is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So AC by BC. From this figure, you can see AC by BC. So cos C is equal to AC by BC, then cos 30 is equal to 8 by BC. So BC is equal to 8 by cos 30, that is equal to 8 by cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. So 8 into 2 by root 3, that is 16 by root 3 meters. So BC is equal to 16 by root 3 meters and AB is equal to 8 by root 3 meters. If you add these two values, you will get the height of the tree. So height of the tree is equal to AB plus BC, that is equal to 8 by root 3 plus 16 by root 3, that is equal to 24 by root 3. If you rationalize the denominator here, that is equal to 24 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3, that is 3. So 3 ones are 3, 8s are 24, that is equal to 8 root 3 meters. So height of the tree is equal to 8 root 3 meters. Please practice this question. And here is the answer.